There you go. Good. Maybe we should lower his seat a little, or no, I guess he's fine. There's Wilson. He's 3 and he's riding a 2-wheel bike. He has training wheels on, but he's fallen and bent them up.
Dad, I was used that I should do.
Riley did not do that till she was 5. Oh.
Why did you do that? You'll crash.
He has got really good coordination.
He does.
Except for the tree.
He did that on purpose.
He told me that that railroad tie was a ramp, and that if he went over it, popped him high up in the air.
Great. Great.
Right.
How old are most kids when they learn to do this? Like kindergarten? Nobody even like ran along beside him and taught him how to do this. He just started doing it.
I can't go on the grass.
He was not this good yesterday.
I'm going to show you how I go on the grass.
He reminds me of that little kid, remember, in Blacksburg?
Yeah. Yeah, on the scooter.
Tommy was on the grass.
I saw you. You're something, buddy. You are something.